I'm telling you the truth. Even if I quit my current job right now, I still have a backup income. That backup is the daily earnings I get through Linkvertise. In this video, I'll clearly explain how I make money from it and how you too can earn just like me. Okay, first, let's understand what Linkvertise is. Linkvertise is a link shortener platform. That means if you want to share a file, website, app, video, or anything else, you can shorten the link using Linkvertise and monetize it with ads. When someone clicks that shortened link and views the ads, we earn money from it. Also, through the affiliate program, if we bring in new members to Linkvertise, we get a small percentage of their earnings too. That's a quick introduction to Linkvertise. Now I'll show you how and how much I earn daily from Linkvertise. On my YouTube channel, I upload app review videos. After reviewing an app, I convert its download link into a Linkvertise link and place it in the description of that video. People who want the app click the link, and after bypassing the ads, I earn money every day. The income I get depends on the number of views those app review videos receive. Now, take a look at this dashboard. Here you can clearly see how much I earn daily. Currently, I make an average of 30 cents to 50 cents per day. If I create and promote even more Linkvertise links, I can earn even more. Next, let's talk about another way to earn through Linkvertise, the affiliate program. Through this affiliate program, I receive a small daily income. So, what is this affiliate program? In our Linkvertise account, we're given a unique affiliate link. We need to share this link with our friends. If they click our link, sign up for a new account, and start earning through Linkvertise, we receive 5% of whatever they earn. That's the concept of the Linkvertise affiliate program. So far, more than 390 people have signed up using my affiliate link. Through them, I'm now earning an average of 20 cents every day. When I first started bringing in affiliates, I was earning $0 a day. But over time, as I brought in more people, I started earning 20 cents daily. You might wonder how I managed to get so many affiliates. Here's the explanation. I created a tutorial video on how to create a Linkvertise account and start earning. I uploaded it on my YouTube channel, and in that video's description, I pasted my Linkvertise affiliate link. That's how I got so many affiliates. So friends, this is how I earn money daily using Linkvertise. Right now, I'm making an average of 60 cents per day. Yes, it's a small amount. But even then, since I once put in the time and effort, this money keeps coming in as a good passive income. And as I gain more affiliates over time, my earnings will also increase. Alright friends, if you don't already have a Linkvertise account, I've provided the Linkvertise website link in the description. Click it, create an account, and start earning money. Also, if you're not sure how to create a Linkvertise account and start earning, I've included a step-by-step video link in the description. Check it out. Okay friends, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!